Hi guys, here is Ariana and I'm with Flooret. And today I'm gonna show you how to repair a scratch on your Flooret molding luxury vinyl plank flooring. Even though Flooret's LVP is super durable and built with an industry-leading 100% virgin PVC wear layer, accidents can happen and you can end up with a scratch on the surface of your floor. If you do get a scratch, there are a couple ways where you can repair it. For light scratches, you can oftentimes just rub the scratch out with the back of a spoon or use a damp cloth. For a more serious scratch, we recommend using a scratch concealer made for LVP or LVT. The one we are using here is called Wear Max Scratch Concealer for Luxury Vinyl Tile. Now I'll show you how to use this product to repair a scratch on your molding LVP. In addition to your scratch concealer, you'll also need a sanding paper and a soft cloth. For this demo, I'll be repairing scratches on both Soho Signature and Arbor Signature, so you can see how the scratch concealer works in both the light and the dark flooring. I am using sharp scissors to make the scratches for this example, so these scratches will actually be a bit more serious than the ones you would typically see from standard use in a home. Now I'm going to lightly sand over the scratch. You don't need to press too hard with your sandpaper because you don't want to remove the finish around the scratch. We just want to even out the area a little bit. Next, I'll apply our scratch concealer over the entire scratch. And then I'll take the soft cloth and rub it in circular motions until all the excess concealer is gone. Alright, and the repair is complete. You want to keep the treated area dry and allow the concealer to cure for about 4 hours, and then you're all set. If you have a really deep scratch or a gouge and this method doesn't work for you, you can always replace that plank for a brand new one. We'll show you how to do that in another video. If you have any questions about this video or in general, you can always reach out to us at www.flooret.com, and our team is always happy to help. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on your alerts to see more useful tips like this. Thanks for watching.